Hi, boys and girls. We're going to do some more missing numbers, filling in the missing numbers. So I want you to take a look at this section of the hundreds chart and see if you can figure out what numbers come in the boxes that are empty. So let's do some together, and then on the bottom half of the paper, I'm going to have you work on that by yourself. So 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, and then the rest of the row is done. So if this one's 82, what would come before 82? 81, very good. And then what would come after? 83, nice job. What would come in between 85 and 87? 86, 88, 89, good. So looking at the next row, we have 91, then what? 92, 93, 94, and in between here is 96. And the very last box is going to be what? 100, nice job. Okay, now it's your turn to push pause and practice the bottom part and then check it with mine to make sure you did those correctly. So go ahead and push pause. Okay, so now let's check your answers. We have 43, 45, and 47. On the next row, 19, 20, and 22. After 83 is 84. And then we have 87 and 88. How are you doing so far? Are you getting these right? Let's do the next one. 70, 72, and 74. And on the very bottom row, we have 36, 37, and 39. Nice job. All right, turn it over on the back, and we're doing just like we did before with one more. So I'm just going to do a few with you, and then I want you to try it on your own and show me what you're able to do. So this is 37 and 60 and 24. Now it's your turn. I want you to push pause on the video, try the rest of those problems on your own, and then push play. Okay, did you do it? Check yours with mine. 29, 63, 95, 35, 90, 48, 61, 86, 40, 23, 41, 69, and the last one would be 76. Very good, boys and girls. Nice job. All right, your work is done, so do what your teacher would have you do next.